It's a big tree over there. Another tree fell over there. That tree about to fall.
Rec for youth. This is how we getting down. Recreational activities. We is getting our hiking on. Me and Zay. Whatnot. Shout out to Zay Dilla. Shout out to Zay Dilla, man. He ain't here with us. So we representing me and Nas. Ooh, it's like a peacock.
Wait, do they got peacocks over here?
I don't know. Well, I think we just discovered like a little creek, so we're gonna keep on going. Watch your step. Watch your step.
I just got too comfy. It's a bad tree.
Oh man, we just this is a
Yo!
this is a creek.
Yo,
We is up in the bushes, woods. All right, hold on, back up. Oh, look at that, y'all.
That's so beautiful, yo.
Here, man, lean against the tree. Right here. Yeah, stay right there. Look at that, y'all. We did our little hiking and found a little creek,
Is that a crab?
a little waterfall.
Oh, Dad, look at that rock. Cool rock. Dad, you want to follow the river? Oh, look at that rock. You guys could be something in here.
All right. Goes all the way down, y'all.
Everything down there.
That thing goes around. Shoot, for real, we can, cross this. We got to climb that.
That ain't that bad.
And we be on the other side.
So, Dad, you remember we climbed the river?
Yeah, man. We used to do our hiking thing. Heck yeah, man.
Can't go on the
You already
river.
know what this is.
Dad, when we was at the river, we could have died if we fall. We was climbing rocks. That's how it's building.
Man, we didn't do this in a long time. So we getting our hiking on.
Last one was the train track.
Oh yeah, that was awesome.
I'm going to. So it looks like it's trying to stop. Oh, look.
Oh, look, it goes over here too.
What is this?
Oh man, look at that. Look at that, man. And that's the only way you can get across.
No. We could go right there, climb up. We just had to crouch through that. And that's an easy climb up because the food branch we could just hold on. Or we could do this way. Oh, you Dad, look. So
Oh, we about to get on some Goonies. We about to get on some. Hold on, man. Now this is dangerous.
What?
Oh, okay. All right, you can cross right here, I think. I thought you had to cross the log.
The water stopped?
Oh, shit.
Oh, no, Dad, look. It's still going.
Oh.
Because the water falls. We could travel from there. Yo, it's a dead snake skin.
Oh!
Yo, Dad, snake skin.
Oh, no.
Yo, Dad, you didn't hear what I said?
Yeah. Oh, it's broke right here. All right, we about to cross the...
What? I'm going to do that way, Dad. Watch out for snakes, please.
Oh.
I'm not dying, Dad.
Aha. Wreck for you. You getting it in. All right, we crossed. Well, we ain't really crossed. That's on that side. We still on the side we was on, but... Yeah, but the creek came from here, and it went all the way around.
No, wait, Dad, it still continues over there.
Oh, yeah. It continues over there, too. I think we're behind the...
That's hard. I never noticed it like
Well, you know the lake is right there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo,
Man, we gonna just go up, man, cause I don't know where the hell we at. How we gonna get back, man? We is lost in the sauce. Hey, I mean, hit the tree. Oh man, what the heck? Like they did some lumber over here or something.
ow, ow,
All right,
ow, something, something.
damn.
Go over here.
We ended up.
This probably connected to the lake.
I just told you that.
Yeah, but how do like how do like
How the hell we going?
oh, I do both.
Man, we getting the heck out of here, man. We getting out of here. We about to end this adventure. Look, how the heck we ended up back here? Oh man. All right. Until next time, we're gonna do this again. We're gonna go on a super hike. We're gonna have backpacks, water, snacks, juice, all that. First aid kit. Gotta have a first aid kit. No doubt, no doubt. All right, Rec for Youth, man. Anything you gonna say?
Uh, yeah, next one gonna be a part 2. So we're gonna finish this.
Oh shit.
Oh, my foot, my foot,
Oh
my foot.
snap. Oh snap.
Yo, look at the thing getting my shoes.
Oh man.
They ripped this
Dang.
in my shoelace right here.